Hello everybody, Mr. Meadows here. Doing a quick repair. I'm sure there's other videos about it, but it's a BMW X5, X3, be the same thing. Changing out the steering wheel control unit, which is basically the telephone, the radio volume, cruise control linkage. Mine is bad on one side. I'm going to go ahead and change both. Instead of breaking this down, I'm just going to replace the whole unit. I've already got the existing unit out, disconnected here. As you can see, I'm basically going to be reconnecting the here, to here, and here, and replacing these bolts. Only thing I wanted to say was after unhooking your battery, you're going to go through here. You're going to have a number 4 screw, which is this bolt here and here. So number 4, just use a number 4 Allen. Took that loose, then this pops out. Took my little pin press, pushed in. You can see it. Yeah, pushed in the little tab right there. It's a little indentation you push in there, and it pops right out real easy. Installation's the same, just those bolts. Just be careful with the airbag. Make sure you disconnect your power. Don't have any keys in the ignition or anything like that. It's a quick tip from Mr. Meadows. Hope it helps somebody. If you do like it, appreciate it. See you later.